using ACDP to read and write the data of VW DQ38X Gen2 gearbox. Confirm that the TCU is the new type with a 7-pin plug. As shown in the figure, connect the ACDP and SH72520D interface boards to the gearbox. Remember to move the jumper cap to the CAN R end. Power on the ACDP. Open the ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device is connected. Click VW or Audi module. Click Gearbox RD or WR. Click VW. Click DQ38X Gen2 0GC. Click Identify Info. Click Continue. View Identify Info. Confirm BO 0 tons version as BH1G0401. Take a screenshot and save it. Click OK. Identify chip info finish. Click OK. Click Full Backup Data. Click Continue. Take a screenshot to save system info. Click Continue. Click OK. Please save chip data. Please note to back up the file's path, date, time, part number. The file name should end with bin. Click OK. Backup chip data finish. Click OK. Disconnect the transmission gearbox. Then connect to another DQ381 Gen2 gearbox. Click Full Write Data. Click Continue. View Identify Info. Confirm BO 0 tons version as BH1G0401. Take a screenshot and save it. Click Continue. Click OK. Select chip data. Based on the date, time, part number. Select the correct file with a bin suffix. Check whether the information written in the file is correct. Click Continue. Click Continue. Writing chip data finish. Click OK. Thank you for watching.